Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
December 18th beer is Sparkletini. Nah, just kidding. So the clue today is it's not just a guitar solo, it's a duet. Can't be too hard. We actually don't have that many doors left. So here we have something, 2 guitars. Do you think that's it? I think so. Let's have a look. Party on the West Coast. Of where? America? No idea. Let's try the beer anyway. So let's pour it. And it has a, well, amber color, amber taste, or smell. And an amber taste. No, I can't really place it, but it's pretty good. It's like, I have no idea what to compare it with. An ale, maybe. Well, cheers to that.